welcome back. And now let's get into the first impressions with these earbuds. So I hope everyone enjoyed the real quick feature and spec rundown of the DIGDIY 10N truly wireless ANC earbuds. Now in this portion of the video, we're going to go ahead and get into my first impressions with these earbuds, alright? So all I've essentially done is charge up the case, charge up the earbuds, and then put them back in the case, push record on this video, and these are my true first impressions here. Haven't messed around with them at all. Alright? Now, starting off, I have to say I'm really surprised by the feature set on here, especially for the price. First impressions wise, when I was looking at the features and everything these earbuds offer, and then I looked at the price, I had to keep doing a double take. My bad, y'all. You know I can't talk sometimes. So the feature to price ratio is pretty good on these, at least based on my first impressions. Alright? Other than that, talking about the look of the earbuds and the look of the case, I have to say I really like it. Now these kind of remind me of the Airfun Airs in terms of the case and in terms of the bud style. So we'll see just how good they perform, but I do really like the size of this case, and I do really like the overall look of the buds. So in terms of the look of the case and the buds, I have to say it is really good. Really good indeed. Alright, now let's go ahead, let me try the earbuds on. Let me give y'all my overall first impressions of the fit and the feel. Then we're going to go ahead and wrap this video up. We're not going to waste too much time on this. Alright, so let's see. This is the right. It is labeled right there. So this is the right. Let's go ahead and drop this in. Oh, that's pretty good. That's pretty good indeed. And over here we have the left. Yes, you can see the left branding right there. So let's go ahead and drop this in. Alright, so first impressions of the overall fit, I have to say it's pretty good. It fits in my ears really nicely. And now let's do a quick shake test. It's moving around a little bit, but it doesn't feel like it's going to come out. So overall, I have to say the fit on these is good. Not the best I've experienced, but it's pretty good. And if I don't like it, or if it starts moving around more than I would like, I can always go ahead and change out the earbud tips. As always, you should always take the time to mess around with the included tips to find the best overall fit, because that helps with the comfort level and the overall passive and sound quality on the earbuds. But first impressions on the fit is really good. Alright? Now, let me go ahead and take pictures of the profiles for everyone. So, Pixel 2 XL on deck. Let's do this. Let me fire this bad boy up. And let's switch to the front-facing camera. And we're just going to do a real quick front profile here. Bong. And then we're going to turn to the side, do a real quick side profile. Bong. And let's take a look. Let's take a look. Here. Let's take a quick look here. Alright, so yeah, not bad. Now you can see from the front profile, you can barely see it. So you do have the stems hanging down. Let me zoom in a little bit. You do have the stems hanging down, but you can barely see it. If somebody was looking at me from far away, you know, they'd probably have to look really hard to see that I have something in my ears. So that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Now, let's look at the side profile here. And again, you can see the side profile on this looks pretty good. Alright, let's zoom in a little bit. Not bad at all. The stem is a little bit long, but it's not overly long, so it fits pretty good. It looks pretty good. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. Alright? So first impressions of the overall fit and feel, again, as I said, are really good. Really good indeed. Okay? Now, Y'all stay tuned, as always, to the fit and sound demo, as well as the rest of my extended coverage as we put these earbuds through the review process, and I go ahead and tell you guys and gals everything you need to know in terms of using and buying these earbuds. Y'all stay tuned for that, okay? So hopefully by the time we get to the full review, you guys and gals will learn everything that you need to know about these earbuds to determine if they're worth picking up, okay? But that pretty much does it for this real quick unboxing and first impressions video, again, of the DIGDIY ANC truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Alright? As always, if you guys and gals enjoyed this video and or you found it helpful in any shape, form, or fashion, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you guys and gals would like to see more content like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. If this video piqued your interest and you can't wait for my extended coverage and you would like to know where you can pick these bad boys up at some really great prices, all the links to where y'all can pick these bad boys up at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description, along with the other model of these that are about $30 more expensive, and they add a little bit extra battery life. So those were the two models that I was looking at, and I decided to save money and get the $30 cheaper version. But I'll have both models of these earbuds linked up down below in the video description, and those purchasing links are affiliate links. So I do get a small percentage of kickback from those links that I do put back into the channel at no additional cost for you guys and gals. So all the links to where y'all can pick these bad boys up will be available down below in the video description. This whole video here today was recorded using the rear-facing primary 12 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Active in 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second with no external microphone hooked up. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, your feedback is greatly appreciated. Just keep it respectful, please. I hope everyone's having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. Alright? We're just going to play this one by ear, and I'm going to release the videos as I finish them. So the next video you guys and gals are probably going to see is going to be the microphone performance video on these, followed up by the fit and sound demo on these bad boys right here, and then we're going to go ahead and get into the full review. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and cover everything you need to know in terms of these earbuds, but I'm not going to give anybody a definite time. We're going to play it by ear. Alright, hope everyone has a good one, and we are out of here. Peace.